So Kendra Ramsey here again to present the test portion of myocardial infarction. So as you can see, there are several different tests that can be done to test for or if myocardial infarction has taken place or if it is taking place. So according to the Mayo Clinic, the very first test done to diagnose a heart attack actually records the electrical activity of your heart via electrodes that are going to be placed on the skin. Impulses are recorded as waves and displayed on the monitor, or they're printed on paper. Because an injured heart muscle doesn't conduct electrical impulses normally, the ECG, which is the electrocardiogram, may show that a heart attack has occurred or is in progress. So beside electrocardiogram, you see the little lines, and then this one is just for fun. It's obviously not real. It's made into a heart at the end, but you've all seen something similar to this somewhere if you've taken any biology class before. Another test they can do is a blood test. What they're checking for in your blood is a certain protein. If you have had damage to your heart, then there is a known protein that is known to leak into the bloodstream, and that's what they're going to be testing for. Chest x-rays, these are done to see the size of the heart and then the size of the blood vessels around the heart, and it also checks for fluid within the heart. The echocardiogram, this is what uses sound waves to produce an image of the heart, and it can also see if there's any areas of damage or any areas that are not properly functioning within the heart. Then we have the angiogram. This uses dyes, and it kind of uses this to view if there are any blockages of the heart or possible blockages, and sometimes this is actually used for other procedures as well, but it is used for myocardial infarction. So another test you see is the exercise stress test. This is done to kind of measure how your heart and how your blood vessels react to certain excretions on the body, such as stimuli or exercise or things of that nature. They'll usually put you on a treadmill and have you walk and measure your heart rates and how much it elevates and how quickly, things like that. So the last one you see is the cardiac CT or MRI. This can actually be used after a myocardial infarction has taken place or a heart attack has taken place, and this is just to detect possible damage that has been imposed on the heart.